Hi, my name is Steffanie Dotson, and I am the founder and director at San Diego Craft Collective. The San Diego Craft Collective has been around for about 6 years. We're a nonprofit, and our mission is to teach craft and woodworking to the community. We have a bunch of different programs that teach craft to all ages, from starting as little as 3 years old all the way up to 100 years old. We teach woodworking, we teach textiles, which includes sewing, natural dyes, weaving, macrame, crochet, knitting, anything that falls under the craft umbrella. We also have a garden, so we teach organic gardening to children and adults. And we have a ceramics program where we teach hand building and wheel throwing classes to the community. We also have a glass program, so we teach stained glass and fused glass as well. Most of our classes during the week, we have a lot of after-school programs, and we always save one spot in each class for a scholarship student, and scholarships are given based on financial need, and priority goes to children. But we also have a lot of classes on the weekends for adults and mixed age. The reason that I founded this is because I wanted to reconnect this disconnect that's happening. Craft builds community, so people come here and they can start a new career and learn how to sew clothes, for example, or they might come here and just make new friends. I heard so many people saying how thankful they were that we were hosting classes because they felt so isolated, and it made me realize that craft actually serves like this really basic need for people to connect with each other.